little artist. Today we are going to draw and color a rainbow triangle poppet. Let's get started.
Yay!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and start drawing. First, draw a triangle shape. Now draw 5 horizontal lines to divide the triangle into 6 parts. Now draw some small circles in each part. These are the popping things of our poppet.
La da 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 dee.
Our drawing is complete. Now make the outlines bold and sharp with black marker. Now it's time to color. Look at our colors. We are using rainbow colors. Let's start. Purple color.
Wow!
Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color.
Yay! Wow!
Well done, little artist. Keep creating, enjoy watching, and until next time, bye-bye, my friends.
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.